If you're looking for the best online business from home to make $10,000 or more per month without any previous experience, a following online, or any tech skills, you're in the right place. Real quick, on the screen are some results from people just like yourself that have been using this online business. And you can see, for example, Kelly right here, he said two $900 sales while at the car wash. The beautiful thing about this business, it is automated. So once you set up the process that I'm going to reveal step by step as you follow me throughout this entire video, by the end of the video, you can literally have commissions and income coming in even while you're out and about or sleeping. You can see John right here, another $900 today. That's $1,800 in 3 days just using this incredibly simple business that you'll see. One more just for good measure. You can see Wendy right here, 4,900 USD in 1 day just using this business. Now, before I dive into this exact online business, there will be a link directly below. Just go to that link, put your best email, and you'll get access to a free blueprint walking you through the exact way to deploy everything I'm about to share with you so you can get this up and running in 1 or 2 hours after watching this video. I want to share with you why this specific business is the best in my opinion after being online for years now. First off, if you have a very busy schedule, maybe you're someone that's working a 9 to 5, maybe 2 jobs, maybe you have some kids, a spouse, you're very busy. This business only requires a maximum of 2 hours daily, and you'll see exactly what you need to do on a daily basis to start to get results in just a second. Maybe you have no experience. Maybe you're just brand new online and you just want to start making income, but you don't know the first thing about it. The amazing yet shocking thing is you're already doing the work that's required. So you're already doing the effort that you need to be doing, okay? It's gonna surprise you when I share what that is, but you don't have to really learn anything new. Maybe you don't like bothering people, right? Maybe you're someone that's pretty empathetic and, some of these businesses where you have to pitch people or you have to pounce on, your friends and family to try to recruit them in some business. Maybe that turns you off. This business allows you to attract interested people to you, right? So there's no rejection. You're going to be able to use a simple framework that I'll reveal in this very video in just a second to literally attract interested people to you, ready to buy from you, okay? Now, maybe you're introverted like me, right? This business allows you to not have to do any sales calls or have conversations with people. So if you're someone that it's draining to actually talk to people, right? Maybe you are very nervous or scared of the idea to get on the phone and make sales with a business. This is beautiful for you because you don't have to do any of that. You can literally put down the phone and pick up the paycheck, as you'll see in just a second. And then maybe last but not least, you want passive income, right? Maybe you like the idea of money coming in while you're on a vacation, while you're out with your friends and family. Money is depositing into your bank account. You check your phone, you see congratulations, you just made another sale. You don't even know where it's coming from. If you love that, you're gonna love what I share with you, okay? Because you're gonna be able to leverage a fully automated system that will follow up and close leads for you. So now what exactly is this online business now that we know the amazing benefits? Basically, this online business model is we're going to be selling digital products online. Now, the reason you want to sell digital products as opposed to physical products is you don't have to store these products in a closet in your home, right? You don't have to deal with shipping and merchandise. These are digital, okay? So think about something like video training. When someone buys video training online, you just send them the link to the video training and they've got access instantly. You don't have to deal with all the headaches of, again, customer service and all that stuff. Now, you're also selling a product rather than a service, okay? So you're not gonna sell logo design or graphic design or things like that because you're gonna have to still do a glorified job. With this, when someone buys this on autopilot, they get access to it instantly and you're not even in the picture, okay? Now, we wanna sell digital products though that have master resale rights. Master resale rights is a legal right that some product creators can give us to sell those products as our own. Okay, it's literally as if it's our products. And this allows us to earn 100% profit paid instantly because people buy those products directly from us. Now, also, we will copy and paste ads online okay, to actually start making these sales and attracting these people to us, we will copy paste advertisements online okay, you can either do both or one or the other, create a few pieces of content on social media. So this could be a photo, this could be, a video, this could be a piece of text. This will start attracting interested people to us. They will see this ad, see this content, and if they're interested, they're gonna comment on the post or they'll direct message us. Now, in the beginning of the video, I said you're already doing the work. You're already, chances are, posting on social media. If you've ever made a Facebook post, if you've ever posted on your Instagram story, you've done the work of posting on social media, but now you're gonna post specifically. You're gonna post on purpose in such a way that talks to the pain points of your ideal customers, attracting interested people to you, and then you can direct them to, as I say here, the automated system that will follow up and close our leads into sales. So once people respond to our Instagram story or our Facebook post or things like that, you just send people the link to the automated system that you can actually get access to inside of the blueprint that I shared at the link directly below. That will again do all the selling, telling, and following up for you. Now, here's a more visual representation of this online business. These are 3 simple steps. Number 1, again, is we will attract our perfect customers to us. Okay, so we can either post ads on high traffic websites. And again, in that blueprint, I'll share exactly how to actually do that even more. And we can also post about 3 pieces of content on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube. You want to choose the social media platform that you're naturally on, that you're naturally active with, so you can easily stay consistent in your 1 or 2 hours a day income producing activities. Now, once you do that, again, people that are interested will actually respond to your posts, okay? They will show interest. Now, I wanted to give an example of, let's say, Facebook, okay? So I actually made this post right here on Facebook. This is my profile. And this right here is an example of an advertisement, okay? This is a piece of content that's designed to pique people's interest and get people interested actually responding to this. So I basically said, hey, look, if you want to learn more about, how to earn up to $900 a day with no MLM, no fees, drop the word info now to learn more. And you can see right here, info, send it, info. Okay, so I got people that are interested responding. Now, the next step is we're going to send them to the link to our automated funnel. And with these people here, all I did was I literally just opened up their profile and I sent them the link to the funnel. Now, step number 2 is this automated system with this business is going to follow up and convert these leads into sales. Again, this is what it looks like. So the first page is a capture page. This is an example of what it could look like. Okay, so this is the page we want to send people. It has a headline right here to pique people's interest. And then if they're interested, they'll put their email in. Now, once they put their email in, they'll get redirected to a page that they can purchase these digital products. And if they purchase right away, we're going to be able to receive instant 100% profit into whatever payment method we have connected to that page. And then we can just transition into a bank account. Now, some people will not buy right away. So what happens when they put their email into our page is they'll actually get automatically added to a software called an email autoresponder software. And this software will capture everyone's email address and then start sending them follow-up emails on autopilot. And inside of these emails have a link that sends people back to the sales page where they can go ahead and decide to buy. Now, once again, in the blueprint directly below this video, I will share with you how to actually get access to a free autoresponder so you can start to set this up and you can start to make these commissions. Now, one other bonus tip, as you start to make these commissions, or even if you get started with this online business and you actually have some extra income to do some paid traffic to ramp this up even more, one thing you can do is you can actually take your capture page here, because again, the goal is to get as many high quality people going to this page, putting their email in, getting followed up with automatically and buying. One source you can actually do that is a site called Traffic Authority. And I'll actually include another link in the description if you want to go here. What this allows you to do is actually purchase packages of clicks from real people in top tier countries. So countries where the average earning is a bit higher, so they'll be able to afford these digital products. You can see there's different levels, okay? The more expensive, the more clicks. So for example, if you want 850 to 950 clicks going to your capture page to generate leads as soon as possible, you would just select this gold package there, for example, and then you would just right here, you could put in the link to your capture page, okay? And then you attach a debit or credit card, sign your name there to verify you want this traffic to start running, and then you just submit order. And literally within a day or two, you'll start getting top tier, high quality traffic going to your funnel and getting followed up with. There we have it, my friend. This is by far the best online business you can do, especially if you're brand new with no experience, tech skills, or a following online. Again, the link will be directly below this video. You can go there, get access to the free blueprint, walking you through how to actually access this done for you funnel, the products, and everything else. You can put this into place and start earning as soon as possible. Also, be sure to like this video if you got value, subscribe because I'm going to be posting even more videos on a weekly basis. Comment if you have any more questions. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.